I was 6 months postpartum when I launched my first digital product. It was a Pinterest ebook to where I was trying to help people monetize the Pinterest platform with, at that time, it was the Creator Fund. But since then, I have been able to monetize not only the Pinterest platform and teach that as well, but I have since created my own Pinterest courses and sell other digital products along the way that I've created. Now, I want you guys to know and understand that this is something that's been around for a while, and I don't think digital products are going anywhere, if I'm just being 100% honest with you guys. So if you've been wanting or you've been thinking about selling digital products, you have came across the right video. My name is Katera. I'm a digital coach and a business mentor to help you guys learn how to grow and earn on social media from your skills at that. Because I'm all about making things easier than they are. And honestly, when you create something that you're very knowledgeable on, it just becomes 10 times easier. So enough of all that, because I can sit here and talk to you guys all day long. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I teach and help you guys all things online business. On this channel, I help you guys with all things mompreneurship and business tips. So if you guys want to learn more about this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But let me just get into giving you guys a few more ideas of digital products that you can sell and explaining them a little bit more in depth so that way you guys understand and know exactly what you should be doing and how this can benefit you as in whatever stage of life that you're in. So I wanted to preface this by saying that all of these ideas that I'm about to give you guys are beginner friendly. And so I want to give you guys these ideas because you might be thinking or overthinking the idea of creating or selling a digital product. So let me just ease the nerves and give you guys these ideas for a beginner. So the first one is fill in the blank template. A lot of times people describe this as guided journals. So I don't know about you guys, but back when I was in elementary school, I loved the book fair because I love buying those guided journals to where you can answer a million questions about yourself or just anything like that. I just love those for some reason. And so I believe that creating these fill in the blank templates or guided journals digitally will kind of have the same effect on people that also love the same exact thing that I liked back then. So you can create these fill in the blank templates, but not only that, you could also create, done for you templates. So what I mean by this is a done for you template is something that you can create for someone that is done for them. So that way they can bypass all of the brain work and just kind of fill in what they need to do. So for instance, for me, I have bought done for you templates before to create my website, to create my ebooks before, for like stock videos and images. So these are great ways that you can make some extra money as a beginner if you're good at graphic design or you have just a good creative touch with Canva or other softwares. You can create done for you templates so where people can, just buy them and manipulate them to kind of fit whatever they were looking for. People love convenience. They love to feel like someone is thinking about them. They love to feel heard. They love to be like, oh my gosh, I found a template. All I gotta do is just plug in what I need to plug in and I'm good to go. So if you haven't thought of plug and play templates, such as done for you websites, done for you ebooks, or like I was saying at the beginning, those guided journals and things like that, you guys can create these and sell them as a beginner. I feel like a lot of times we think about creating our products to be on the forefront. And I feel like creating a done for you digital product, like a done for you template or a fill in the blank template, is more of you being on the back end, meaning you're thinking of the process before the person puts it out to their audience. And so I'm telling you, people need these, even if you're good at like sales funnels and creating things like that. Business owners would eat that up. I'm telling you, I would. If you're good at these things, offer your services or create these templates for people to buy so that way they can get started on their projects by something that you created. So the second idea that you could do or create as a beginner is mini money trackers. Okay, so we know financial literacy is not taught in schools, even though it should be. So us as adults, we got to get our lives together when it comes to our money. So I feel like money trackers would be a great idea to start selling as a beginner because they're super easy to create. And honestly, you could go buy one in like the Dollar General, like a physical one, and just kind of look at it and see how it's formatted and then turn it into a digital form. Like I was saying in one of my previous videos, we always have our phones in our hands. We always have our tablets or all of these different things in our hands. And so I feel like if you were to create these things in a digital format, it would help people keep track of their money in various different ways. So if someone has something that they're saving for, you can create little savings trackers. You can create 3-page budget trackers with affirmations, or you can also create just household budget trackers or even business expense trackers because your girl paid her business taxes for the first time this year and woo, yeah, I would need something like that. So I feel like that would be a really great idea for you to incorporate as a beginner because it's super easy to create and it's something that a lot of people don't think about, y'all. I'm about to give y'all some unique ones that people do not normally do. Now, the next one is vision board kits. Okay, so we know that the year has passed, 2025, like the start of the year has passed, but there are some people that do the 12-week year, which I've kind of started doing that. I don't know if you guys have ever read that book, but it's like, instead of like creating a gigantic vision board for the entire year, you create a vision board for each quarter. And so it gives you a chance to kind of reach your goals in each quarter, or also break your gigantic goals that you would normally set for the entire year into smaller goals to reach that big goal by the end of the year. So you can create vision board kits, help people create digital vision boards on social media, maybe give them like a template. You can maybe create a like drag and drop little thing, a drag and drop template to where you already have your pictures in there. All they got to do is delete your pictures and place theirs in place of where yours were, which makes it a little easier for people, because I know a lot of people like the aesthetically pleasing type of content, or, you know, things that they do, but not everyone knows how to make something look aesthetically pleasing. So if you're one of those people, you can create a vision board kit for either like the people that do the 12-week year, or, you know, 2026, you can go ahead and be ahead and start promoting that for the next year. And you also can add in printable pieces as well that they can print off and paste on their physical vision board, such as affirmations and other things like that. Now, this is a good one. This is something that I never thought of, but you also can create devotional pages digitally. So like, I know there's like the Bible app and things like that, but you know, sometimes people want like digital things, digital pages that they can add into their digital planners, or that they can add other pages that they can add as a wallpaper, or all of that good stuff. So digital devotional pages is a great way to start this as well. Digital devotional pages are also great because you can also add in Bible study trackers, prayer prompts, and once again, affirmation cards with related scriptures. So I feel like, honestly, that's really good. Like that can be like a cute little bundle, and you can create these and maybe sell them on Etsy. I feel like that would be a great place to sell something like that. So yeah, digital devotional pages. And then lastly, you can create something called client onboarding templates. So I know for me, when I'm hiring a team as a business owner, you know, I want to take them through a process to be able to onboard them onto my team and give them like an overview of what they can expect with working with me. And also just to have as like, you know, a paper trail of me hiring someone on my team. But you can create a template for someone like me with contracts and all of that other stuff. You know, that is important when you're onboarding someone. So that way I can kind of just plug and play my information into the onboarding template and send it over to my employee. So this is something that I feel like is an unsaturated market, because I don't think a lot of people have these client onboarding templates. I haven't heard a lot of coaches talk about this. And so this can be a great way for you to target coaches like me, or even bigger corporations that maybe need something a little bit more up to date, and they can utilize these templates as well. So if you guys aren't familiar with me and what I do in my Krowned Vision Network, which is my mentorship community, I help you guys learn how to create digital products like I was talking about earlier and turn them into a profitable business model, whether it's a business on the side or it's your full-time income. So if you're interested in getting started and learning how to do this exact thing, join the Krowned Vision Network. If you want to read more about it, it's in my description. But not only this, I've helped so many of my students get started with this. I've had a student who created a digital planner, and she's selling her planner like hotcakes. Okay, this planner is getting sold off the shelves. No, not the shelves, because it's digital, but you know, she's really getting a lot of sales on her planner, and she's really excited because it's something that she created from scratch. I also have a student, Jasmine. She launched her editing course, and she made her first few sales on launch day when she didn't even think she could make sales. Like, she didn't think digital sales was possible. So this is what I help you guys with in the Krowned Vision Network, and I'm inviting you, by watching this video, into the Krowned Vision Network, and you can sign up for that. And I would love for you to join us down below, and you can read more about it in the link in the description. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're wanting to learn more about how you can start an online business and start selling digital products, and I think I'm gonna start talking about other side hustles on here as well, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.